But the big story that we are breaking at the moment, Chennai, Bengaluru hotel bodies have now flagged an LPG shortage. Chennai Hotels Association has written to Prime Minister Modi saying that they will have fuel supply only for 2 days. Bengaluru Association, many hotels have stocks only for up to 3 days and are saying that tomorrow restaurants and hotels in several parts of Bengaluru will be closed. Government sources, though, are insisting there is enough LPG supply and households need not panic. Government sources saying LPG waiting period is up from 15 to 25 days and they claim they are scouting now for more LPG suppliers. Government sources saying LNG or pipe gas prices are unlikely to change as of now. So clear. Okay, let's go straight across to Aishwarya Patil from Business Today and Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who heads the South Bureau. But first to you, Aishwarya, let's be clear. Government is saying they have enough oil supplies for at least 40 days. They've said over 6 weeks of oil supplies. But we are already seeing LPG shortages in several parts. Hotel owners in Bengaluru, Chennai saying they will have to close down come tomorrow. They do not have enough supply. Chennai saying 48 days, Bangalore 48 hours, Chennai, Bangalore saying tomorrow. Can you tell us, does the government have enough stock or is it prioritizing households over commercial establishments for now?
Well, certainly 100% domestic households are priority at this point is what we've been picking up from our sources in the government, specifically for oil marketing companies which do provide and give us these gas cylinders like Indian Oil Corporation, BPCL, HPCL have specifically been ordered. In fact, a letter was sent to all of these oil companies in that order stating that all of their LPG production should be first given priority for domestic usage and commercial comes in later. In fact, there are Ujjwala and non-Ujjwala users, as you know, who benefit from the subsidy scheme that remains. Although the 60 rupee hike per cylinder has come through, but there is no relief really for commercial users because these are places like restaurants, as you mentioned. So the strike was inevitable because these prices have gone up and so the impact on businesses was bound to be reflected. But bottom line, the government has said priority will be given to domestic LPG households. That will be the priority as far as the government stance is concerned. And as far as the OMCs are concerned, yes, they have already said we have enough supplies for the next 50 days, both LPG as well as crude supplies as well. So that's the update so far. All of these oil marketing companies for the next 50 days are secure. In fact, we've also been told time and again by government officials that even after the 50-day period, we have enough supplies. We are diversifying our sourcing strategy. We are looking at getting more LPG supplies from not only the US but also Canada and a couple of other geographies as well, exploring Algeria, Australia, Canada, Norway for more LPG supplies. That's the update so far from some of our sources in the government.
Okay, I want to go to you, Nagarjun. Nagarjun, the Bangalore Hotels Association is saying that tomorrow many of them will close down because they do not have LPG supply. Now, is this a pressure tactic? What are you picking up? Because now Chennai has also joined in.
Well, that's true, Rajdeep. What has happened is since morning, the Hotel Association have been getting calls over 500 to 600 is what the president said, that he's been getting calls since the morning. And there's a panic-like situation because the Hotel Association are not able to refill their cylinders. And they're saying that few hotels might finish their cylinders and commercial gas by tomorrow afternoon. So post-lunch, few restaurants might shut across Bengaluru. And over the next 72 hours, 7,000 such restaurants might shut because they have stock of only 5 to 10 cylinders. And each day they need 5 cylinders is what an average hotel that would consume is what they are saying. So they're trying to meet the Union Minister for Petroleum and Gas, Mr. Hardip Singh Puri, on the 11th. It's not just Bangalore. Chennai also has flagged the same issue. And this is not something that the Hotel Association is trying to put pressure, but this is genuine concern. It's not just one odd hotel that across Bengaluru we have seen Hotel Association calling each other and asking them do they have commercial gas so that they can borrow. But unfortunately, all of them are saying that they have only 2 to 3 days supply left, and which the Bangalore citizens will have to be prepared to see a shutdown over the next 3 days.
Okay, possible shutdown in Bengaluru. So clear impact of the West Asia crisis now on what's happening domestically. Nagarjun and Aishwarya, appreciate both of you joining us here on the news today with that big breaking news.